Some of you have asked me about aircraft sanitization. How does that work? How does it work on private jets? Well, now as the lockdown is being ended throughout the world, people are going out now, going back to work, and people are also traveling. So a big question is, a lot of people are going to jump on the airlines now and fly. Well, airlines are actually going to be resuming flights, but they're not going to be flying to certain destinations anymore, and they will also fly less frequently on certain routes. So that's one thing. The reason being that I don't think a lot of people are going to jump on airplanes and go on holiday and travel for business. A lot of people found out that you can do a lot from home, and also a lot of people are afraid of catching a virus or ending up stranded somewhere where lockdown suddenly happens and they can't get back home. Like there's been some people blocked in Argentina for about over a month. Can't get out because there are no flights going out or going into Argentina at the moment. So this is the dilemma, and this is the worry that some people have. So those people that have a certain level of wealth will be turning to private jet travel. Now, private jet travel, I think is a good idea. If you have a certain level of wealth, that's certainly the way to go. I mean, forget flying with the airlines. I mean, yes, a number of airlines are sanitizing the aircraft. The question needs to be, how is that sanitization happening? What are they actually using? Are they using chemicals? What type of chemicals are they using? Because that could be more damaging to your health than a virus itself. So that's a question you need to sort of ask and do some research. But let's focus on the private jet, because there are a number of sanitization programs now for private jets. If you are chartering, you need to ask the charter company what are they doing to sanitize the aircraft before you get on it, and also find out about the crew, and how do you know that the crew don't have a virus? Have they been checked? Have they been medically cleared? That's certainly a question to ask. But if you actually own your own aircraft, what you can do is there is a system which is a bipolar ionization system you can actually have installed in your private jet. And this will keep the air nice and clean. The other thing you can do is put essential oil diffuser on your aircraft. I mean, I have one here. This is an essential oil diffuser. You can plug some of those throughout the cabin, and maybe one in the cockpit for your pilots, and you can use some essential oil formulas which keeps the air pure. That is certainly one of the most effective ways of keeping your cabin clean, is using essential oils. So I'd certainly look into that. That's something that works, as well as this ionization system. So those are two things that I'd certainly do for your private jet. And certainly another reason why to fly private now is you are flying in a clean environment, an environment that you control, because they're your pilots, they've been tested, they have no virus, the aircraft is clean. You can have the aircraft, the surfaces and everything cleaned as well after every flight, and make sure that your people stay safe. And that's just one way of doing it. So there's another reason now for flying private. So comment below, let me know what you thought about this video, any suggestions, recommendations for any other videos, that would be great. And give us a thumbs up here on Biz Jet TV. And if you haven't subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel and check out our other videos on the private jet industry. Find out all about private jets. This is what this channel is all about business aviation, and how the private jet is a business tool and not a luxury item. And that's all from Fabrizio Poli on Biz Jet TV, and I'll see you on the next one.